boys and girls, I'm Miss Moran and this is your math lesson. Today we're going to continue with sorting. Do you remember what sorting means? Okay, this picture right here shows sorting of apples. So sort means putting things into groups. And when you are sorting, you're looking at the attribute. You're looking at how the object looks. And there are different ways you can sort things. You can sort them by color, by size, or by shape, or just by type. Like, for example, we can put a group of elephants on one side and a group of frogs on another side. They're different types of animals. Today, we're going to sort by color. But before we do that, let me show you that little sorting song again. And then we'll talk a little bit more about our homework when we come back, okay? So let me show it to you. So this is a very short song about sorting.
I can sort, I can sort, I can sort, sort, sort. I can put them into groups and I can sort, sort, sort. I can sort by color, I can sort by size, I can sort by shape. Any old time, I can sort, I can sort, I can sort, sort, sort. I can put them into groups and I can sort, sort, sort.
Okay, so that was a quick song. Okay, so like I told you before, today we're going to be sorting by color. So up here it says sort. And the colors we're going to be sorting by is blue and red. So I have here several objects that I'm going to take a look at and decide if they're blue or if they're red. Okay? So this one, what color is it? Blue. This one? Blue. What color is this? Red. What color is this? Red, and it says right here red. What color is this? Blue, and it says right here blue, so we're going to put it there. What color is this? Blue or red? Blue. Put it right here. This one? Red. This one, blue or red? Red. And this one? Blue. Okay, and I have a tricky one here. Is this blue or red? No, right? This is green. So should I put it on blue or should I put it on red or should I just not put it anywhere? We don't put it anywhere, right? Since it's green, we're just not going to put it. He doesn't belong in the blue group and he doesn't belong in the red group. So just pay attention to that because there's a couple like that in the homework. Okay? Which, talking about the homework, let me show it to you real quick and explain it to you. Okay, so this is what your homework's going to look like. We're going to be sorting apples. And we're going to have yellow apples and red apples. So this one is a yellow or red? It's yellow, right? What about this one? Is it yellow or red? It's orange, right? So we're not going to move that one. We're going to leave it there because it's not red and it's not yellow. What about this one? That one's red, right? So we're going to put it with the red. What about the acorn? Well, first of all, the acorn is not even an apple, and if it's not red and it's not yellow, so we're not going to put it in any group. We're going to leave it there, okay? So that's going to be your homework, so pay attention at the color and what it is. It has to be either a yellow apple or a red apple. If it's not, then don't move it. Leave it there. Put all the yellows together and all the red ones together. All right, so before I let you go, let's review what we learned. Okay, so today we reviewed what sorting means, which means that you need to look at the object's attribute, how it looks, and then we put them into groups. And today we put them into the groups of color. Okay, we concentrated in their color, we looked at their color, and then decided in which group it went. And we also learned that if we have one that is not the color that they're asking for, then we don't move it, okay? Like when we did the little bears and frogs that were either red or blue, and then there was a green one, we didn't have anything for green, so we just didn't put it in any group because we didn't have a group of greens, all right? So it's very important that you pay attention to its attribute, how it looks. And sorting is very important because it helps us see how things are alike, or like, are they the same? or they're not the same. Okay? Well, I hope you enjoy your homework, and I will see you tomorrow when we continue sorting. Okay? Bye-bye.